How's it going, everyone? Jay here with LMR.com. In today's video, we'll be going over a quick breakdown of adjusting the aftermarket Panhard bars for all 2005 to 2014 S197 Mustangs. Lowering your Mustang is usually one of the first things we enthusiasts do. The S197 chassis comes equipped with a fixed, non-adjustable Panhard bar from the factory. After lowering your vehicle, if you do not have an adjustable Panhard bar in place, the axle center line will be thrown off. Let's head over to this S197 that we have here in the shop today to show you the step-by-step instructions on adjusting the Panhard bar. Some of the tools you will need will include the following: a lift or a jack and jack stands, a tape measure, a level or a plumb bob, and a few assorted adjustable wrenches. Start by removing the stock Panhard bar if still equipped. If you need to know how to complete this task, check out the link in the description below. Next, you will need to align the adjustable Panhard bar to the OEM length. Set these next to each other on a clean work surface and align these using the stock bolts from center to center. Once this is completed, you can go ahead and snug down your jam nuts and reinstall the Panhard bar back in the car. After installing the new bar, one thing to look for would be interference between the bar and the differential cover. With the many different aftermarket designs and options of Panhard bars and diff covers on the market, this can happen from time to time. If you do run across this, make sure to check out the Panhard bar relocation brackets in the link below. Lower the car back down on the ground at this time. If you have lowered the vehicle, then your center line may be thrown off. You can apply a few small strips of low-tack painter's tape here to avoid scratching of the paint. Using a level or a plumb bob and a tape measure, set the level next to the flat area of your quarter panel. Measure the differences between each side in a few different spots. If they are not equal to each other, then you will need to make adjustments as needed. Before making your adjustments, your vehicle needs to be level, and the tires also need to be on the ground. If you have access to a drive-on style lift, this will be best. With the jam nuts loose, adjust the Panhard bar clockwise or counterclockwise, depending on which way you need the car to shift. The body of the vehicle will move left to right depending on which way you turn this. Make minor adjustments until your measurements are identical on each side. Once this is set, apply a small dab of blue thread locker on each of the jam nuts and fully tighten them down. Check over your work and test drive the vehicle. Now you are all done. I would like to mention this process is not always 100% accurate. If you choose, you can always take your car to a local alignment shop, especially if you have just recently lowered the car. This would be an excellent time for them to look everything over front to rear. Well, everybody, we hope this video has helped you have a better understanding of how to adjust your aftermarket Panhard bar for your S197 Mustang. Overall, this one roughly should take you about an hour to complete. If you liked this video, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to our channel if you have not already, and turn on notifications to keep you up to date with any new tech info we release. And as you already know, make sure to keep it here with the real Mustang enthusiasts at LMR.com.